My name is Erin Clark. I am an operations manager within the PAES division of the Department of Family Services. I have worked for the county for 26 plus years, and I started out as a human service worker one, limited term position, which means it was not a merit position, no benefits attached, but I was able to work my way up to a human service worker, a senior worker, supervisor, and into my current position that I have now, which is an operations manager. Currently, my role as an operations manager, I am in charge of a team of supervisors and human service workers. And what we do is we are in charge of the ongoing caseload, which means that after the application is approved by our intake team, the application comes to us and we take care of any changes and also any recertifications on the case to make sure that our clientele or community member continues to receive the benefits that they are entitled to. So as a part of the ongoing team, we receive all the applications that are approved by initial applications. These applications could be for SNAP benefits, some people know that as food stamps, for medical assistance, Medicaid, general relief, TANF program, which is financial assistance, and also refugee assistance. So we will receive all those applications that are approved, and we will continue the ongoing benefits. When I graduated from college, I did not know what I wanted to do. I grew up in Fairfax County, matriculated at Fairfax County Public Schools. And so I knew that the Fairfax County government was a good place to work because I had family members and other people in the community that I knew that worked here. So I decided to put in an application, and I was attracted to the county for a few reasons. I knew that they helped our citizens, offered a lot of programs that helped our citizens, but also I knew that it had great benefits and was a place that I could come and grow. So that's why I applied to and was attracted to Fairfax County. PAES, and actually when I started out 26 years ago, we were known as the self-sufficiency division. So the name went to PAES. And so what attracted me to PAES, self-sufficiency specifically, was the work that they did with the community, knowing that they were able to help our citizens really at a point where they needed basic needs, needed help with food assistance, medical assistance, sometimes help getting a job, because we also do employment services, employment and training. And so I knew that it was a place where I would be able to help people who really needed it. So that's what attracted me to apply within the PAES division. The most rewarding parts of my job, I would say, would be working with our internal and external customers. And so when I say our external customers, of course, those are the community members that we serve and help them with assistance, but also with our internal customers, which is the team members that I serve, my supervisors and my unit members, helping them to not only do their job effectively, but also helping them to grow professionally. That is the most rewarding part of my job. What I enjoy the most about working with PAES is seeing my team members and also our division as a whole, seeing the growth that people have. When they come in, a lot of times, of course, they're nervous about a new job, but seeing them come in, seeing them learning how to do their job and seeing the growth that they have within that time period. Seeing them learn how to work with each other, work with our community members, but also seeing them grow professionally, whereas they come in the entry level and many of them rise up to supervisor and managerial positions. So that is definitely rewarding for me to see how people develop throughout their tenure. My role contributes to PAES' mission of supporting people, our community members, to self-sufficiency because I work directly with the supervisors and team members as they process the cases. So my job really is to make sure that we process the cases accurately and that we process them on time so that our community members are able to receive the benefits that they are entitled to. Something I wish people knew about PAES or the county is how rewarding the work can be. Because again, a lot of times we meet people at their sometimes lowest point because they're not able to take care of themselves or take care of their family members, which can be very devastating to individuals. So knowing that they're able to come to us to receive the benefits that they're entitled to, whether it be food assistance, sometimes financial assistance, or definitely medical assistance, which is vital, is so rewarding for us. And a lot of times people may need assistance with things that we don't offer, but a part of our job is also to connect them with our community partners to make sure that they're able to also receive those different services, which is a part of getting them back on their feet and allowing them to be self-sufficient. Over my 20 plus years within the county, PAES has grown tremendously, not just in the number of people that we employ within the division, but also in the services that we offer and how we offer the service. One thing that I always tell my team members is that the thing that's going to be consistent within our division is change. So you have to embrace that change and be ready for the change. And everybody knows about 4 years ago, we had a pandemic. And so that pandemic changed not only the way we do our work, but also the way the world does its work. And so a lot of times we were used to seeing people face to face and having that, being able to kind of touch people and having those emotions, in person, because it hits differently when you're seeing somebody in person. So then we had to transition to doing a lot of work virtually, but we adjusted as everyone else did. And we found that we were able to a lot of times still find the connection and also be able to offer people more services that we may not have even thought about before. So our division is very flexible. Our division is very innovative in the way that we do our work. And so I would say that that's another reason why this is such a great place to work, because we adjust very well. We continue to do our work very timely and very accurately, and making sure that our community members don't miss any services that they may be entitled to.